We already have one lock screen widget configured in Launcher. Let's create a second one. Note that creating more than one requires Launcher Premium. Now that we have two lock screen widgets configured, let's install them on the lock screen. Long press on the lock screen and tap the Customize button. Tap on the Add Widgets section and then find Launcher in the widget list. Tap on the size widget you want to install, and if you want to install two widgets, tap on it twice. While still in Customize mode, tap on each widget to configure which widget you want to show in each location. Now exit out of Customize mode and we are done.